And we're continuing our journey, and at this step we're going to add social share buttons for a category page. Basically what we're going to do, we're going to repeat everything that we did for product action component just to category page. So let's start and let's create a new file, and to plug in map state to props of the category page. Let's copy the content of the file. Yes, like so. Okay, let's create a plugin into the render item count of the category page. Just let's copy this one and create such a file in our plugins. Yes. Let's go further. Copy the content from here, add it to here, Control S. What is going on? The same as for product action page. We're importing our social share component. We are creating a plugin to render item count, calling original members, and calling our render social share method. And only difference that for quote we're extracting the category description instead of the product name, and we're adding some specific to render item count conditions to display it or not. Basically that is it, except of that we need to add some style fixes to make it look a little bit better. Let's add them. Yes, here we go, and let's check the result on our front end. Something went wrong. Possibly we need to restart the front end, or maybe not. And here we go.